Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at AMD stock, guys. So let's do the price action analysis and let's identify, do we have a direction on this thing, or shall going into next week, are we still expecting a cool off or the downside on it? Like, what shall we make out of it, right, with this price action? So let's jump right into it. Once I let you know, none of this is any financial advice, purely for education purposes. Do your own due diligence for whatever you want to do in the market. I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. All right, so AMD. Well, what are we seeing? We are above 20 and 50 days moving average still. And the structure is still bullish though. This is what I have been saying. As long as we are above $162 range, structure on this is back fully bullish again, and that's where my short position that I opened on this, it's in my stop loss. I mean, I already booked my stop loss on this. So yeah, that was that, because structure back again has changed to the upside. Now, as you can see, we are again a little bit tapping out at that supply zone of $169 to $172 almost. So bulls have been holding strong down here, right, at the level of 162, but then sellers are holding still strong at 170. But day by day, what are we seeing is that slowly and slowly green candles bodies go up and VIX starts to get smaller and smaller, even though we are selling off still at almost just shy of $170. So let's go to the hourly interval, and that's where things will get much more clear. Now, well, before doing that, I just want to show you my day trading bot as well on AMD net profitable. And today also we had a net profitable day. A little bit of a zigzag we went through, but still came out net profitable. And then, yeah, yesterday also were net profitable, and so was before that. But there are red days as well, just showing you that as well. Anyways, if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And this is on, well, while we are here, I just want to show you Nvidia as well. Net profitable day today as well on Nvidia. Good move made on this as well. Anyways, links to my tools are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots. Okay. Now, let's go back here, and then let me turn this off. And yeah, let's go back to the hourly interval. So what are we seeing on AMD is the constant sell at that supply zone. We don't need, well, I'm going to get rid of this previous trend line. And also this trend line has served its purpose of the support as well. Here you can see pullback happened on top of it. Before that, it was acting as a resistance, right? So let's get rid of this trend line as well now, just so that we have a cleaner chart here to work with. So yes, we are seeing that sell-off keep happening at under of $170, just shy of that. So guys, yes, that's still a supply zone. But here's the thing. If AMD can maintain itself above this 200 hours moving average, we are in the intraday as well bullish territory. And definitely this level of $162 range is what I'm saying is the swing structural change area that we want to stay above if you want to stay bullish. If we lose 200 hours moving average, or this level of almost like 164, 165 almost, if we lose this level to the downside, then at least we'll come back down to 162 again. Then we have to see if we start to then lose 20 and 50 days moving average again, that will be the structure change. Looks, well, okay, I'm being a little bit cautious before I speak my mind here and provide my opinion, because it all comes down to, guys, the price action and the levels. But to me, it looks like AMD wants to stay up here. I am having, in the price action, hard time seeing it go below $162, but just my opinion. You still have to have a stop loss, okay? Because if it breaks below 162, the structure is bearish, okay? But yeah, just looking at 20 days moving averages, you know, curving to the upside, and 50 days moving average, the crossover has happened as well. If any pullback comes or sell-off comes, I think that will be bought back up. Now the question is, can AMD get out of this supply zone? So either, well, there are 2 ways it can do it, either without a pullback, right, or, well, or with the pullback, right? As looking at it right now in the price action, to me, the level for the if pullback is coming, well, you gotta watch this level of 167.22 cents. If we break it to the downside, sure, cool off is coming. But if we break above 168.06 cents, this might run up, right? It's all about if it can get above the supply zone. But all in all, structure is bullish on AMD. I know it's going from chopping through choppiness, so that's why just keep an eye on those levels. There might be some pullbacks that may come, but hey, structure is still bullish as long as we are above the range and the area of $162. All right, just keep that in mind. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If structure will start changing, I'll talk about it. And that's all for this video. Well, let's actually go to the 4 hours interval as well, because over there we can see some candlesticks more. Yeah, so and that's the thing, right? This green candle that has come, right? You can see that any pullback into this green candle zone is being bought back up. What you can also use is, once you have a green candle of such type, yeah, any pullback that comes halfway through it a little bit lower, usually they are getting bought back up. That's how these demand candles work. You can see we got bought back up. At least for your scalp trades, you can use these, right? Then you can see this also got bought back up, right? This also getting bought back up. So you can see that there is a buying coming in, right, in the demand zone of this green candle as well. So yeah. For example, yes, we had this green candle, right? I'm seeing that supply zone sold it off, but then you can see before that there was a scalp play that came with this wick at the bottom. It was trying to sell off into this green candle, but got bought back up. And then yes, eventually we got sold off due to the supply zone up there. But you can see there's still one candle scalp plays that could be taken accordingly, right, when the things are dipping into this demand zone. Anyways, you have to combine this with the price action at the lower time frame. Things like double bottom consolidations is together something you have to see. You need to have multiple intervals and layouts on your screen. All right, well, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. And if you found it helpful and valuable, you can you can follow this trend line as well. But yeah, if you found this video valuable and helpful, please hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next videos, guys. And if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. All right, bye.